Alright guys, this is the shower curtain. So I wanted to put it on, obviously this is an inner lining, but I wanted to put it on the outer just so I could show you guys for the video, because inside, you know, it's a... Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. So today we are checking out and showing you guys this shower liner. This is 100% waterproof. It's 3G material. This one is clear, and this is 72 by 72 inches. So some tips that we're going to go over that it says: clean the shower curtain with warm water before first use. Open the shower curtain all the way along the length of the shower rod to allow it to fully dry after showering. Wipe the shower curtain every few weeks with a damp towel to remove dirt and soap residue. Air dry only. Please do not put in the dryer. Well, let's go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so this is it. Just a nice clear shower curtain. Let's go ahead and hang it, and you guys can see how it looks hung up. Alright guys, this is the shower curtain. So I wanted to put it on, obviously this is an inner lining, but I wanted to put it on the outer just so I could show you guys for the video, because inside, you know, it's a little dark. Can't really see that well. But and as you see, we didn't hook each of the hooks up because we're going to put it on the inside like it's supposed to be. I just wanted to do this video to show you guys the transparency of it. It does have these magnets at the bottom here. So you got 1, 2, 3 on the bottom. Reinforced liner here at the top around the, not the hooks, but the circles where your hooks go in. So it's a nice, clear, transparent. So I think it's going to work good. Time to put it on the inside. See you guys on the next unboxing.